Hi.
Today we are here with Doug. Doug is about to start his treatment or his procedure with Dr. Davis. And Doug, before we do the procedure, we want to record what the movements feel like for you, where your pain level is.
Okay.
And can you tell us why you gave Dr. Davis or our office a call?
Long story or short story?
The short story.
The short story. Well, naturally one was because I don't want to be operated on again. I was operated on this leg and I didn't come out so good. And I had to wear a brace for 4 months.
Oh, that puts you out of commission. So what do you want to do again?
Get on my knees.
And that's for work.
That's for work.
Yeah, you want to get your hands dirty.
I want to get my hands dirty.
I heard you wanted to chase somebody.
Around the house.
Around the house, yeah. And it's hard to get on your boat or off your boat. You were saying.
It is.
So it'll be a lot more fun if it didn't hurt.
I fish a lot.
Okay.
And I haven't been out for probably a month. I've been very active, very busy. My kids are moving next door, and I've been helping out. They did my house, and I'm back. Yeah.
You're back now. All right.
I'm back helping them.
Well, let's take a look at where we're starting. So please stand up.
Okay.
Oh, I heard a snap there.
Yep.
Now, did that cause you discomfort?
A little bit.
All right.
Not a lot.
Where did it cause you discomfort?
Back of my leg.
Back of your legs.
Yep.
What would you call that level there, pain level?
5.
About a 5. All right. So I'm going to have you step forward. I want you to try a squat. Let's see what happens when you try a squat. Hands forward.
Forward.
Yep. Go as low as you can and then come right back up.
Yeah.
Ooh. That one was a little tougher, huh?
That was a little tougher.
All right. Where was the pain level for that?
Both knees. 7.
About a 7. And point to where it hurt when you were doing that movement. Right in the back. Gotcha. Let's try these stairs. I think we talked a little bit about being scared of the stairs. We can do it. We can do it. You did it.
There.
All right. What was the discomfort coming down the stairs?
Maybe a 2.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah.
not too bad.
No.
So let's try going up the stairs. Is that more difficult?
No, it isn't.
That one's easier?
That one's easier.
Okay. There you go. You did it.
Yeah.
And what was the discomfort there?
Hardly any.
So squatting, getting down on your knees, bending a lot, that's where you find your discomfort.
Yeah.
Let's get started and see what we can do.
Let's do.
Yeah, we're gonna just start at the bottom again.
Okay.
Traction them out.
Yep.
Deep breath and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6. All the way. 7. Good. Traction. Deep breath and go. 1, 2. Keep holding. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. Deep breath and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, deep breath, traction and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull. 7. Good. 2 more in that spot. You doing okay? Okay. If you need to stop, let me know. Take a deep breath and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. Deep breath and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7, good. Traction. Deep breath and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. Deep breath and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, doing great.
Go, Doug. Go, Doug.
Shake them wheels out a little bit. Pay attention to your stride, how your leg goes back farther now.
Yeah, standing up straighter. Look at you. All proud. What do you feel like?
Loose.
Feel loose?
Yeah.
You were pretty tight there.
Like real loose.
Yeah. How's the pain?
There is no pain.
Squat down for me.
Be careful though, because you're going to go much lower than you.
Can you get on your knees?
No.
Don't want to push it, right?
No, don't push it.
Do the hallway one more time, just to let your body get used to it. And then swing your arms like you're used to walking.
I haven't walked normal for.
He's smiling. Look at him. Look at him.
I haven't been able to walk like this for years.
And you feel nice and loose, and
Good job. I know it's painful, but you did a good job.
you did an awesome job. And we're back with Doug. Doug has finished his procedure with Dr. Davis. Hi, Doug.
Hi.
All right, let's do those couple exercises again. I'm going to have you stand up for me. Ta-da! How was that? That's so much better. All right, I'm going to have you take 2 steps forward. You can stop right there. Put your arms out in front of you. How low can you go? Wow.
Just crushing this leg.
That was one of the biggest obstacles you had at the very beginning was
Yep.
squatting.
Yep.
All
And
right.
Stairs.
And stairs. Let's try the stairs. Okay. There's a railing there. Oh, look at you.
I haven't done that in years.
Look at that. You didn't even have it. No hands
go
even.
up?
Yep. Go back up.
You got kidding. I got to do this again.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. And
You don't know what that means.
yes, I do.
No, you don't.
You did.
I don't believe it.
We need to bring Bev out here and show her.
She wouldn't believe it either.
So what changes have you noticed, Doug?
What have I noticed?
Yes.
Like
Your discomfort level today was what number did you say?
6.
6. What do you think it
7.
is now? You just
2.
you feel a little bit of tightness is what you're saying.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm sore.
Yeah.
But from what he did, but I can maneuver.
Yeah.
You mind if I do the steps again?
I do. I do. I want you to do the steps again.
I cannot believe this.
This is great, Doug.
I can't believe it. Holy crap.
All right, we're gonna go get Bev and bring Bev out here and show her.
She won't believe it.
Are you happy with today's?
I'm real happy.
All right.